Okay, another update because finally I have MQL4 and MQL5. As you can see, I'm testing this just default values. It's opening tons of trades, so it's pretty much not opening more right now because of the max order caps. As you can see, I have here max orders blocked to 100. So since the grid value, I right now modified to a bigger value, but it was 399. So it's very, very small. Will open a lot of trades. That's what happened pretty much. Here, the max cap of orders, once the price reversed, this is a sell cycle, the one that is reversing. As you can see, we are opening buys and sells in one set file, but both are trading independent cycles. I will elaborate more in the future, but I want you to see the pretty much both versions are the same, are trading the same. The only thing that changes, as you can see, we're closing in MQL5. That's because MQL4 simulates the price between bars, or maybe it doesn't even consider the price between bars. So if I'm using 15M, that is the one that I usually use, it will avoid micro prices or micro movements that in this case MQL5 is catching. So I'm pretty much testing to check both are at least giving the not the same results. Because of that it will be impossible. Also, the quality of the data with MQL5 you will get 100%, and with MQL4 the most I can get for free is 90%. But for me that's enough because of the type of my strategy. As you can see, it's very, very similar. Things don't change a lot. Like, I always tell people, if 10% of quality or ticks or bars are messing your strategy during real conditions, is because you are doing something different. You're doing more or less high frequency trading, or more let's say complex strategies that require specific ticks or temporalities. But here you can see there's this issue. We are not closing, but the price is doing the same. The thing that it's not closing, it's because some trades are not being considered in the previous range, like the ones you are closing here. So they're stocked. But this doesn't matter because we are trading the algorithm and the data in the algorithm. We're not trading the fact that MQL5 is doing something and we expect MQL4 to do that. No, we're trading what we see and what we have. So in this case, if I optimize MQL4, it will be different from what I have in MQL5. So yes, technically they're different, but once you optimize them in the algorithm, in the code, they're the same. The price, it's the same. You are not blowing the account in any of the scenarios, and you're reversing, you're getting the reverse in the same way. You just need to adjust the algorithm for the range or the data or the type of data that you're testing. And you'll say, why then you use MQL4? Well, there's numerous reasons. I'm very used to the terminal. But of course, if you ask me, I need to tell you to go with MQL5 is the superior version. Let's say that MQL4 is just for the hardcores that want to really get on to the limits of the, or its stress test to the limit. And for me, I will use both because I can stress test heavier with MQL4 and just clean with, or trade a cleaner version with MQL5 once both are optimized up to the point that I want to have them. Because, for example, here I know it's not closing. You can see the green line. It's not closing next to the blue one, means I have a trade open that I haven't closed. So this is adding stress test. This is another scenario that can happen in MQL5, irrelevant of the version or the data. This can happen actually. So I need to be very, very aware of different situations, because if you see the chart, technically it's not the same, but it's very similar. We have uh, curves or spikes to the downside and to the upside that are kind of the same. So that's what you want to see. You want to see something that is similar or very close to have parity. That way, you know your algorithm is solid, and at least based on data, not opinions, you have something solid. and that it's multi-terminal or multi-platform, in this case, multi-language or multi-different coding languages, because I'm also going with Rust, Python. So if I go with MQL4 and I say, yeah, it will be the same in every terminal or in every market, I will be very misleading, or I will be misleading. So pretty much that will be it. And I will be posting how both versions, especially I will, as mentioned, focus in MQL5. I will show how they work. So for now, that's it. Ciao.